Hey, very good afternoon and welcome to a quick Blackpool Pleasure Beach update here from Nickelodeon Streak. You might have seen by the thumbnail, and well, just a few days after I did the recent full park update, I did mention in that one that Nick Streak would be testing quite imminently, and well, today you can see, as I'm literally talking, the train is going up the lift hill to begin its test cycles ahead of the 14th of February's reopening for Nickelodeon Land. Nickelodeon Land is open for February half term, so obviously that will include Nickelodeon Streak and all the other rides in Nickelodeon Land. So yeah, you can see the train going around here, doing some test cycles here on Monday. So yeah, literally the day after I filmed the last update on the 31st of January, or whenever it was the other day. Literally the day after today, the 1st of February, Nick Streak has begun testing. And I'm not too sure how long it has been testing for, but yeah, literally just driving past and I saw the train going, so I thought, oh, let's just pull over, have a quick look. And yeah, perfect timing with the train going up the lift over in shot. Whilst I can hear and obviously see Nickelodeon Streak going around, just behind the wall, you might get a glance of it, but I can actually see the blue flyer testing as well. So yeah, we've got Nickelodeon Streak here, and then if you just look through the structure there, you might be able to see the blue flyer train go over in just a second. There you go. A little bit harder to film blue flyer, but yeah, you could just see a little bit of the train there through Nick Streak's structure. And so that's going to do it for this update here from the Pleasure Beach. Just a quick one showing Nickelodeon Streak testing and also that quick little glance of Blue Flyer testing as well. Very good to see both of the wooden coasters testing ahead of February 14th reopening in just about 2 weeks time, or just under 2 weeks time as the day I'm filming this. So yeah, good to see Nick Streak and Blue Flyer testing, as I say. Haven't seen anything else in terms of Nickland rides testing, but of course most of them are all low level behind the wall, so yeah, a bit harder to see them ones anyway. So yeah, we're back again with another update, and obviously as we get further into February towards the back end and of course start of March, there will be plenty more rides testing across the rest of the park. Probably that's a big one, Icon and other rides such like that as well. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed this quick update from Pleasure Beach, and I'll be back again with another one in the future.
Experience vertical